Welcome to this session in our ServiceNow item series. Today, we will be exploring the key IT asset management process, those that drive the full life cycle of an asset from initial planning to ongoing support. With ServiceNow, these processes are not only automated but also integrated into your wider IT ecosystem. Let's walk through each stage. Asset planning and procurement. The item lifecycle begins with planning and procurement. ServiceNow allows you to make informed decisions before any assets is ordered. This starts with a detailed need analysis, identifying the type and quantity of assets required, generating cost estimates including taxes, shipping, and support contracts, setting up purchase approval workflows, ensuring alignment with business and IT governance, and linking all orders directly to department budgets, allowing for accurate tracking and forecasting. Procurement planning within ServiceNow helps eliminate waste and ensures assets are only purchased when truly needed. Identification and discovery with Discovery tool. Once assets enter the environment, the next step is identification and discovery. ServiceNow Discovery plays a major role hereby, performing CI detection to identify newly connected hardware or software, running device scans across the network to collect data on IP, operating system, and installed applications, using auto tagging rules to classify assets by location, department, or function, and building a dependency map, visually linking assets to the services they support. This ensures every asset is accounted for, visible, and tied to configuration item in the CMDB. Deployment and configuration. Next comes the development and configuration phase, where assets are put into production. In ServiceNow, this involves using install package to push standardized software and settings, monitoring deployment status, including who received the asset and when it become active, then enforcing configuration standards like antivirus setting or encryption policies, and syncing everything back to the CMDB, keeping operational data aligned with the asset records. This process ensures every asset is deployed consistently and securely with minimal manual intervention. Maintenance and support in HAMSAM. Finally, every asset needs ongoing maintenance and support. ServiceNow supports this through creating break fix records for tracking incidents, repairs, or hardware swaps, aligning requests to support SLAs, ensuring vendors and IT teams meet defined response and resolution times, storing vendor contact information, contracts, and warranty coverage within the asset record, and tracking asset uptime, vital for business critical devices and infrastructure. This closes the loop, ensuring assets stay healthy and continue to deliver value long after they are deployed. Let's wrap up this session with a quick review. Planning and procurement ensure smart budget aligned purchasing. Discovery makes every asset visible to and linked to services. Deployment and configuration standardize and secures the rollout process. And maintenance and support keeps assets reliable, supported, and tracked throughout their life cycle. ServiceNow brings all these phases together in one platform, ensuring end-to-end visibility and control. In the next video, we will explore how ServiceNow handles cloud asset management. Thanks for watching. Stay connected as we continue unlocking the full power of ITAM.